Let me show you how to add watermarks to your product image. Let me show you. So let's just open our Canva. Yeah, voila, we have that opened. So once you open your Canva, the very first thing you have to do is log in your email, and that's it. And after that, to bring you to this dashboard, that's the home screen. Yes, and the next thing you want to do is go to this plus icon at the middle and click on it. Yes, you have that, and that's very sweet. Now what you do next is look for the image you want to add your watermark to. Yes, look for the product image you want to have your watermark on. So let's click on see all and look for the image first. Yes, I want to use this, so I'll click on add one. Yeah, and we have it, and what I'll just do is use in a design. So now, yes, let's wait for it to load properly. So what we just do now is go to our gallery and look for our watermarks that is in PNG format as stated earlier. Now you check which one works for you. Now for instance, let's try the black one. That's this one. Let's add it to page. Yeah, this is it. Now you can see it. Now we can just reduce it from the edge like this. Reduce it, and now you will see the reason why I said that you should have your watermark in PNG format and in different colors. Now you can see that black works on this. Yes, and you can just fix it anywhere you want. You can fix it over here just to show that yes, this is Big Maze doing. You understand? You can even adjust it and add some filters and crop it and styles and corner and even the transparency. For instance, you can just decide to do it like this. Yes, like this, and you have it like this, and it is Big May already. Now you get it. You get my point. Yeah. Let's add the white color. So let's add this white one. Let's see. Okay, add it. For instance. So now this is the white. You see that the white will sit properly on it. It will even show on your image. That's if you want it to be on the image. You can decide to enlarge it like this just to show that it's Big May, for instance, and go to the transparency dock over here and reduce the transparency for an instance, and then voila, you have it. And let's delete this one because we don't need it. Yes, we have deleted it. Now what you just do next is export it. Now export it, yes, or download it. Yeah, you had me right. So yeah, you see it's saved to gallery, and this is it. Yes, it's saved to gallery, and we can just go ahead and check it.